Alright, greetings everyone. This is Chun Jin-hyuk from the Product Planning Division of Union Community, and I'm here to introduce the whole new UBio-X Face Premium. Now this product is the all-new premium lineup, which boasts a powerful application processors, a high-performing 5-megapixel camera, with a wide 8-inch LCD screen. Now if you take a look over here, this is the previous UBio-X Face, and this is the UBio-X Face Premium. And as you can see, there's a huge difference in its appearances. This is the 8-inch screen and this is the 5-inch screen. The 8-inch screen allows you to check authentication from a longer distance. And you can change the settings, or you can enroll with much more ease. As you can see from the table, it is equipped with much more powerful application processors than the previous product, and has excellent specifications compared to the previous models in terms of camera, capacity, recognition distance, and LCD. To be a bit more specific, the camera adopts a 5-megapixel camera rather than the conventional 2-megapixel camera, enabling the number of authentication of personnel 4 meters ahead. And as the authentication distance increased to 4 meters from 2 meters, it is possible to accommodate large numbers of people entering and exiting very quickly. In particular, the 4 people simultaneous authentication, which we call multi-view, can be effectively prepared for simultaneous access. Now, let's start the unboxing of the official product. Let's look at the components in the premium box. From the left are the main body, power cable and adapters, third-party connection cables, and installation and product guide. As I said before, the LCD currently boasts the largest screen size in the industry of 8 inches. For the accurate identification of personnel, the top of the product is equipped with illumination LED light, IR and RGB cameras, and IR light sources. You can also see the status LED and illumination centers in the center. The microphone is built in the upper right corner, and the authentication sound is transmitted from the lower speaker. Now let me introduce the cables and the back panel ports. If you look over here, there are lots of strands of cable, but the characteristics of each cable are not that difficult. These cables are for Wiegand, lock connection, door monitoring cable, light lamp, motor lock, and 5-volt power connection. In the case of the rear ports, there are Wiegand connection port, RS-232 port, lock output port, Ethernet port, and so on. Cable and the ports can be combined to activate the premium in situation that the user wants. Now, let me introduce you the frequently used user interface and the facial recognition process. When the product is turned on, you can check the main screen like this. Now the menu is displayed on the upper right corner, and on the left, you can see the network connectivity, the thermal camera connectivity, and the FQR. And a hidden status bar is located right here. So just press it, and it will show the hidden status of the device. First of all, if you enter the display right here, you can check it's the camera, the languages, the options of the display, and the message displaying time. Especially when you press the language over here, you can see that our device supports more than 12 languages. If you go to the system menu over here, you can also change the settings of your fingerprints or the face recognition. If you want to see a more detailed manual, it will be posted on our website, so feel free to check it out. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how easy it is to enroll my face into the device. Just go to the menu, press the user tab, and press the add button. Now I will just use number 1 as my user ID. You can see that you can add a lot of information into the device. First of all, I will add my face. But when you're adding your face, please be aware that you should not wear any glasses or any hats. So I'll add my face like this, press start, press OK, and as for the fingerprint, I'll choose my right thumb right here. Press once and press twice. Press OK. And as for the card, you can prepare a card and register it like this. Then go to the authentication type right here. I'll just press my card, my fingerprint, and my face, and OK. Save it, and you're set to go. So if I go back, now you can see it instantly recognizes my face. And for my fingerprint, it's good to go. As for the card, also good to go. And even though you're wearing the glasses, you can see that it recognizes me instantly. UBio-X Face Premium also supports authentication through mobile key and QR, so you can choose up to 6 methods for your identification. If you want to integrate with the thermal camera over here, go into the terminal, go to the thermal button right over here, then press the button of thermal camera use. If you do this, you can measure the heat of the personnel and prevent the threat of the potential virus infection. Now as you can see over here, you can see that the thermal camera has been activated. Thank you for watching the unboxing video, and we'll be back with the premium live demo version of the video soon.